Dear our customers and friends, welcome to Golden Tulip Artificial Flower and Plant New Items Development Presentation. Today, we would like to show you a new range of wild rose garland. As the wild rose potted we made before, today we made two sizes of the wild rose garland. One in length 150 centimeter, the other in length 100 centimeter. The both sides are in all nice colors as the previous potted rose we made before. Then let's check the details. Take the short one for example. This one with 17 flower head, 7 small flower head, and 10 big flower head, and also nice flower shape and nice color leaves, bendable stem. Also there is a hanger. You see, very natural. Thank you.